Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to put an image inside a table in Notion, and to do so it's very simple. Let's go to Notion and log into the account. So I will choose this one. Once you are here, let's go to the table that we want to edit and add an image. So here I have this table here. So if I scroll here, I won't find any image because there's none. But if I go to this table right here and go to the top right corner on the table, you can see add property button. So here in the add property button, just go to files and media right here, click on it once. And here, if I click on it here, I will be able to add a file or an image. So either an embed link from Google or whatever link of an image you have. And here in the upload section, I can choose a file, whatever I want. Here I only have videos, I don't have photo, or I have one right here. So if I add it, it will be in the table. So that's it. You can add some context to your database or your table that you have in Notion. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.